Hi and welcome to Speed Scene Wiring's online tutorial of the Ls3 Wire Harness system. We have the Ls3 laid out on the table with all of the newer style connectors that the engine fuel management system requires to run. And let's go ahead and describe a couple of them. This is the new Manifold absolute pressure sensor for all Ls3s. It's the new style knock sensor connector. It's the new throttle body sensor. I just call it a TPS sensor. It's your new generator connector. And the term has changed a little bit. On previous engines before you had alternators, this one is considered a generator because the charging cycle is a little bit different. Your CTS sensor is still the same. All your EV6 injector connectors are right here, with front locking, secondary locking, and trinary locking tabs all intact. New crankshaft sensor connector. Coil packs left and right. There's the other one right there. There's the other coil pack connector. And moving on. (10, 11, and 12 O2 sensor connectors. Pre and post are available. This one just has the pre-injector or pre-O2 sensor connectors. Of course, you have your pedal connector right here for your fly-by-wire pedal. 6L80E mil-spec connector. Diagnostic link connector that works. Tail section. Connect your ignition powers and you're done. This is your new style E38 platform ECM. They plug it right in and lock. They have secondary and trinary locking systems that you can see right there. And that's it. Thank you for watching.